everyone. So today is Friday before Easter, so happy Easter to everybody. Got Lucas back here today. Sophia's behind the camera.
Hello.
There you go. And Lucas is going to help me out with today's video. So we're going to look at British money today, so some different coins and some different notes. I'm going to have a look at the differences in them, and you can have a guess at what they are. Before we do that, I just wanted to give you a little idea of an activity that you could do. Your parents may have seen this online. Ours is still a little bit soft, but we have done, can you see that, Sophia?
Yeah.
A salt dough plaque. So this is basically made really easy with flour and salt. And then what we did is we stuck our hands, I'll pop that down there. So we put our hands, pressed it into the dough, and then you have to bake it into the oven. So I'm going to go through the instructions in a minute. And then when it's all set and it's gone hard, you can paint it, and it's a nice little memory that you can write your names on. And we've put on it Furnace Family Lockdown 2020, so we can always remember this time that we're all in the house together. If you are interested in doing it, it is 250 grams of plain flour, which is about a cup. It's 125 grams of table salt, which is just normal fine salt. That's about half a cup if you've not got scales. And 125 grams of water, which is, again, it's about half a cup. All you do is mix it all together, roll it out. Well, once you've mixed it, it'll go quite a firm dough. Add a bit more water if you need to make it softer, and roll it out. And then you do your handprints in it. Make sure you press really hard when you put your handprints in. Pop it in the oven on the absolutely lowest setting that you can do, and leave it for about 3.5 hours. You must make sure that the bottom underneath is hard, as I don't think I baked it long enough, so we've got to leave it. If you don't want to put it in the oven for that long, you can just leave it in a cool, dry place and leave it there for about 5 days, and it'll do the same thing. Once it's all set, you just paint it, and then it's ready to go. And we quite enjoyed doing that. And we all painted our own hands as well. So I painted mine, and Dean, my husband, their dad, had painted his. So and these two painted theirs. So it's a nice little memory for us. So we just needed it to set hard. So that's salt dough. If you want to give that a try, post some pictures to Busy Kids, and we'll put them online for you. So we're going to learn about some money, something that you like lots of, yeah? So in Britain we have British money, so we have different coins and different notes. If you were to go on holiday, you might use different currencies such as the euro, which is quite widely used. But in Britain we have our own money. So we're going to show you some different types, and then we're going to have a bit of a guessing game on what they are, each one of them. So we've got the real coins here, but they don't show up very well in the camera, so we've also got picture versions. So we'll show you what they all are first, and then we're going to muddle them all up and do the guessing game. So we'll start off, we'll show you the picture one. So that one there is £2.
There was light shining off it a bit.
Was it?
Yeah.
£2 coins. Actually, what we'll do is we'll not show them first because that might give it away. We'll do this one first. So we've got this little chart that says, can you match all the coins to the amounts? Okay. So what we're going to do is Lucas is going to try and guess. So the first one I'm going to pick is this one. So don't say it just yet. So have a look at that one.
I've already done this like yesterday.
Can you see that, Sophia?
Not really.
You see it? Is it because of the light? What about if I hold this one up instead? We've got a lot of windows in this room.
2.
Can't see it. Well, we're going to have to do it. Hopefully you'll be able to see it. So this one, it's got a lot of different edges on it, and it's not round. Alright, do you want to try holding it in front of camera? See if you can get it a bit clearer. Maybe not too close though. So as you can see, it's got lots of different edges on it. We're just struggling because they've been laminated, so the light's shining off them a bit.
It won't focus.
Well, just do what we can. We can only do what we can. Alright, so this one. So Lucas, what do we think? So have a think. So how many sides have we got here? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sides to this coin. Okay, so it's not a normal round coin. So what is this coin, Lucas?
20 pence.
20 pence. So do you want to stick that where it says 20 pence? That's it.
I'm trying to find it.
So that's our 20 pence. Okay. So the next one we'll do this big one, yeah? So this is a copper coin. And this is a big coin and it's round and it's a coppery colour. It's not worth a lot of money, but if you add them all together you might have quite a bit. So have a think about what coin this might be. Have a guess. Lucas, do you know what coin this is?
2 pence.
2 pence, so let's pop that in the 2 pence. There we go. That's it, so put that on the 2 pence slot. The next one we'll go for this one. So this is actually a lot smaller. This is one of the smallest coins in the British currency. Have a look at that, see what you think. It's silver and it's round and it's only very small. It's only about this big. So see what you think that might be. Have a guess.
I've not even seen it yet.
So this one, look. What do you think that is? 5 pence, that's it. So put that on the 5p one. There we go. So we've now got a 2p, a 5p and a 20p in place. Okay. So the next one, which should we do next? Should we do this one?
That's easy.
Now, this is not the smallest in size. It's slightly bigger than the 5p, but it's the smallest in value.
I think they'll be able to guess it after we've done that one.
It's the smallest in value. So there's a clue, so you know that it's less than 5p. So have a think about what that is. Tell your grown up what coin you think this is.
It's less than 2.
What coin is this one?
1 pence.
1p. So do you want to pop that onto the 1p slot?
It says 1 penny.
1 penny, yeah.
1 penny.
There we go. And the next one, we'll do this big one. So how many sides has this got? Let's count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is a big coin. It's a lot bigger than the other ones. I think it's roughly the same size as the 2p. Have a look at that. See what you think that might be. Have a guess to your grown up or write it down, whichever's easiest.
Whichever one.
What do you think that one is? Lucas, what do you think this one is?
50 pence.
50 pence. Lucas can guess these easy because if you look close up, it actually says it on there. It has it in numerical down at the bottom and then it has it written on the top, okay? So write that on. Hopefully
Write it on. What?
Write it on, stick it on. That's it, 50 pence, and now we've got the 50p.
It's kind of covered in
Now, this is the coin with the most value that we've got, which is this one. And this is quite special. This is fairly new. It's a few years now, but it's one of the first ones that came out that had got both silver and gold on it. So normally we've got our copper coins, which were the smaller coins, were like the pennies, and then we'd got silver coins, and then we'd got gold for £1. This actually came out as a £2 coin, which we'd not had before, and it's silver and gold. Oh, I've just given it away. It's a £2 coin, I just said it. It's a £2 coin, so hopefully you got that right. You guessed it before I gave it away. Good on you if you got it before I managed to say it and spoil it. So pop it on the £2 slot. There we go. So that's £2. So you can see it's the only one so far that's got silver and gold. So then we'll do this one. What's this one? So this is silver, and it's a round coin. It's a bit smaller than the 2 pence coin. Have a look, have a think what that is, have a guess to your grown up. And Lucas, what's that one?
10p.
10p, that's right. So if you got that, well done, really good. Right, pop it on the 10p. Up there, that's it.
I need
Right.
to find it first.
Now this one, I'm going to have to show you the real coin because the picture that I'd got was a bit out of date. So these coins recently, well not recently, a while ago, got updated. They used to be just gold and look like this. But they actually changed and they made them into gold and silver. So have a look at that. So it now looks a lot like the £2 coin, but it's not a £2 coin, it's smaller. Have a look at that and see what coin you think that is. Gold on the outside and silver in the middle. Lucas, what coin is this one?
£1.
That's it. So stick that on the £1 slot.
I
There we
even guessed
go.
this yesterday
So-
without knowing that it's a new one.
Can you see them, Sophia, on the screen?
She's not even concentrating.
That's it. So we've got, they go up in amount. So we've got the 1p, 2p, 5p, 10p, 20p, 50p, £1 and £2. This pound picture is a bit out of date. It's now the gold and silver one. So there are coins. That's what we add, what we pay for. So if you do any chores while you're at home, then you can have a look and look at these charts, and then you can add all your money together. Okay. So what we also have, as well as coins, is we have notes. So wait, we'll start at this end. So I'm going to cover up the clues. You're going to cover both up, cover it up like that, hold it like that, and like that. You need your fingers here. No. Yeah. So hold that up to the camera. So this is one note. What note do you think that is? So it's a nice blue colour. It's a nice turquoise blue colour.
My bag's so strong because she's going to stand up.
Can we see that on the camera okay?
Yeah.
Yeah? So have a think about what you think that note is. It's slightly smaller than the other notes that we've got.
You can see through here.
What note is it, Lucas?
£5.
It's £5, that's it. And these are quite new, these notes. We've just recently changed a £20 note to be the same, in that they're like plastic. They used to be a lot more like paper, but we've now gone to this plastic thing, and you can see a little window here. If you can see my hand behind it, there's a little clear window here, and we all know who this is, don't we? So Queen's on all of our notes as well.
I don't know who that is.
And this is Big Ben, just there.
Big Ben!
So that's £5. So then we'll do this one. Put that on that. That's it. So then I'll show you this one. So this is, oh I know, just show it anyway.
Oh, the whole thing?
Yeah. So this one, it's orangey. If you can see it on the camera, then you'll be able to see how much this is. We're struggling because it actually says the amount on it 3 different places. So
That's
again,
really cool.
it's got this clear window here, and this is
£10.
£10 note. So like the £5 note, it's this plastic feel to it. It's got this little clear window here, yep. And with the notes, if you ever pay in a shop, you might notice that they put these under like a purple light, and that's called a UV light. And that means that when you pop it under, certain parts of the note that you can't see when you're looking at it now will light up, and that's to tell that it is a real money. It's not fake money. So that's something that you might not have known, is that it's got that extra security, so you can check that it is proper money that you've got. And then the last one that we've got is a very pretty one. This has only just been changed to be plasticky material. This used to be paper up until earlier this year.
Did I?
Yeah. This was the last one.
Well, so it just had 20 on it. With paper.
No, it looked like this, but it wasn't. It wasn't this material that it was made out of. It was more paper. Money. So this is the £20 note. So this is more purple, but again, it's still got the plastic. And what you might notice is on all British banknotes, you'll see these numbers on the back. You'll see these numbers.
Oh,
Yep. See these here? It's here, and then it's here as well. Yeah. That's a serial number. So that all British money can be tracked through serial numbers. So if you ever watch a film and there's been like a big thieves going into a bank, there's been a big bank robbery, they can actually trace what's been stolen because there's these security numbers on it, and you can trace when it's been spent in a shop. So there's a lot more facts about banknotes that I don't know, but there's a UV light for security to make sure it's a real note, and there's also these serial numbers which also give it extra security, so if it does get stolen it can be tracked. So that's just a couple of facts about that. They do also do £50 notes. We just don't have them lying around the house at all, do we?
£50?
Yeah, they do £50 notes, but we don't have any of those. Unfortunately, we wish we had some £50 notes. So that's all the British currency. So while you're at home, why not make sure that your mum and dad have said it's okay, because obviously there are germs on coins. So get your mum or grown up or dad, somebody to give them a wash, and then you could have a look and do some maths with them as well. So, for instance, you know, how many pennies do you need to make 10 pence? How many pennies make 10 pence?
10.
Yeah. So 10 of these are the same as one of these. You know, and you can ask your grown up to lay them out so you can count them and see what they add up to. You know, there's 8 different coins there that you could use to have a play around with. And also, if you're doing any chores, if you're earning any extra pocket money while you're at home, you know, washing the car or cleaning anything, you know, you can also have a look, count them up, keep them in your money box, and then at the end of the lockdown you can add up how much you've got and head off to the shops. Okay. So, we'll not be doing videos over the weekend. Obviously, it is bank holiday weekend this weekend, so we'll probably be back on Tuesday. We'll probably not do one on Monday. Back on Tuesday. We've got a couple of science experiments to start next week, so we're going to be doing those. And then I don't know what else. We've got numbers to do, haven't we? What else have we got?
Numbers.
Have we done the numbers already?
Yeah. Right.
Have we? I don't think we've done numbers. We've done alphabets, we've done shapes.
It's too hard to remember
We've done
everything.
spelling.
You have to do times table.
Oh, we did times tables, that's it. We did some basic maths.
And I'm
So,
going to keep them.
We're also going to look at something for like older children. So we're going to go from Lucas's year. We might go up a couple of year groups and do some like equations and stuff for older children. So we hope that you have an absolutely brilliant bank holiday weekend. It's lovely weather, but please do stay in your gardens, in your houses. And we hope you get visited from the Easter Bunny this weekend.
Easter Bunny.
So we shall see you next week on Tuesday at 11 o'clock for our next video. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, everybody.